Halo teman-teman semua, kembali lagi di EM Project. Nah, kita langsung continue saja di sini ya. Kita lanjutkan gameplay kita yang kemarin, teman-teman ya. Oke, sekarang tanggal 9 November, teman-teman. Oke, kita lihat Hank lagi teleponan ya. Mereka sudah mulai dekat, teman-teman. Sebelumnya kan netral dan sekarang udah jadi teman.
Is everything okay, Lieutenant?
Apa semuanya baik-baik aja, Letnan?
Chris was on patrol last night.
Oke, Chris
He
patroli
was
semalam
attacked by a bunch of deviants.
dan diserang oleh
Said he was
segerombolan
saved by
deviant.
Marcus himself.
Dan dia diselamatkan oleh
Is Chris okay?
Markus, teman-teman.
Yeah, he's in shock, but he's alive. What the hell?
Aku translatein intinya ya. Apa nih Kamski ya? Kita coba ya Kamski.
Kamsky left Cyberlife 10 years ago. Why did you want to meet him?
Oke, dia mau ketemu Kamski, jadi kita
This
tanya.
guy created the first android to pass the Turing test, and he's the founder of Cyberlife.
Oke,
Anybody
Kamski
can
ini
tell us
adalah
about deviants, it's him.
foundernya Cyberlife, teman-teman. Oh, ini yang ada di main menu, teman-teman. Si cewek ini.
Lieutenant Hank Anderson, Detroit Police Department. I'm
Cakep
here
ya
to see,
dia ya.
Mr. Elijah Kamsky.
Please, come in.
Okay.
I'll let Elijah know you're here, but please make yourself comfortable.
Oke. Kita disuruh menunggu android. Oke, ada yang bisa kita teliti di sini, teman-teman ya. Kita analisa ya.
Amanda.
Oke. Ini mungkin istri dan anaknya, teman-teman. Si Kamsky itu ya.
Nice girl.
You're right. She's really pretty.
Nice place.
Ini bilang tempatnya bagus ya. Sama dia bilang android tadi itu cantik, teman-teman. Oh bu. Oh, ini si Elijah ya yang difoto tadi ya.
Guess androids haven't been a bad thing for everybody.
Oke, kita disuruh
You're
duduk,
about to meet your
teman-teman ya.
maker, Connor. How's it feel?
Oke, dia nanya gimana perasaan kita bakal bertemu pencipta kita,
Kamsky is one of the
teman-teman.
great geniuses of the 21st century. It'll be interesting to meet him in person.
Sometimes I wish I could meet my creator face to face. I'd have a couple of things I'd want to tell him.
Oke, dia bilang dia kadang tuh pengen bertemu sama penciptanya, teman-teman.
Elijah will see you now.
Wah, ada android
Kamsky?
berenang, teman-teman.
Just a moment, please.
Kolam renangnya warna merah ya, keramiknya ini mungkin. Ada yang nemenin android tapi. Nah, ini ngobrol teman-teman.
I'm Lieutenant Anderson. This is Connor.
What can I do for you, Lieutenant?
Apa yang bisa aku
Sir, we're
bantu?
investigating deviants. I know you left Cyberlife years ago, but I was hoping you'd be able to tell us something we don't know.
Oke, kita minta dia kasih tahu sesuatu tentang Deviant teman-teman.
Fascinating, aren't they? Perfect beings with infinite intelligence. And now they have free will. Machines are so superior to us. Confrontation was inevitable. Humanity's greatest achievement threatens to be its downfall. Isn't it ironic?
Ciptaan terbaik manusia adalah bakal jadi kekurangannya manusia teman-teman. Kita
We need
pilih
to
help ya.
understand how androids become deviants. Do you know anything that could help us?
All ideas of viruses that spread like epidemics. Is the desire to be free a contagious disease?
Listen, I didn't come here to talk philosophy. The machines you created may be planning a revolution. Either you can tell us something that'll be helpful, or we will be on our way.
What about you, Connor?
Dia tanya kita teman-teman.
Whose side are you on?
Di pihak siapa kita? Kita pilih defensif ya.
It's not about me, Mr. Kamsky.
Kita
All
nggak
I
jawab
want is to
gitu.
solve this case.
Kita alihkan
Well, that's what you're
pertanyaannya.
programmed to say. But you. What do you really want?
Dia tanya apa yang benar-benar kita inginkan. Kita pilih defensif lagi teman-teman.
I'm sorry, but I don't see what you're getting at.
Kita alihkan lagi ya pertanyaannya. Nggak kita jawab gitu.
I'm sure you're familiar with the Turing test. Mere formality. Simple question of algorithms and computing capacity.
Oke, dia mau melakukan sebuah tes
What interests
teman-teman ya.
me is whether machines are capable of empathy. I call it the Kamsky test. It's very simple, you'll see. Magnificent, isn't it? One of the first intelligent models developed by Cyberlife. Young and beautiful forever. A flower that will never wither. But what is it really? A piece of plastic imitating a human? Or a living being with a soul?
Oke. Dia melakukan tes teman-teman.
It's up to you to answer that fascinating question.
Oh, kita yang dites teman-teman. Gila ya. Apakah
Destroy this
dia
machine,
bilang
I'll tell
apakah
you all I know. Or spare it,
kita punya
if you feel
empati
it's
gitu,
alive.
robot.
But you'll leave here without having learned anything from me.
Kalau
Okay,
kita
I think we're done here.
tembak,
Come on, Connor, let's go. Sorry to get you
What's
out of
more
here.
important to you, Connor? Your investigation or the life of this android?
dia bakal kasih jawabannya teman-teman.
Decide who you are. An obedient machine,
Kita di
or a living being, endowed with free will.
That's enough. Connor, we're leaving.
Pull the trigger,
Connor! Don't!
and I'll tell you what you want to know.
janganlah. Kita jangan tembak ya.
Cyberlife's last chance to save humanity is itself a deviant.
I'm I'm not a deviant.
You prefer to spare a machine rather than accomplish your mission.
Dia bilang kau
Saw a
lebih
living being in this android.
memilih mengampuni mesin daripada menyelesaikan misimu, katanya. Kamu memiliki empati seperti manusia gitu intinya, teman-teman. Aku kira si Chloe yang bakal dites.
You'll have to choose your side. Will you betray
Ternyata
your own
kita.
people or stand up against your creators? What can be worse than having to choose between two evils?
Let's get out of here.
By the way, I always leave an emergency exit in my programs. You never know.
Why didn't you shoot?
Hank nanya kok kita nggak
I
nembak.
just saw that girl's eyes, and I couldn't. That's all.
You're always saying you would do anything to accomplish your mission.
Katanya kamu bakal
Now's our
lakukan
chance to learn
apapun,
something and you let
katanya.
it go.
Yeah, I
Kok
know
kamu
what I
nggak
should have done. I
nembak?
told you I couldn't. I'm sorry. Okay?
Connor bilang dia nggak sanggup.
Well, maybe you did the right thing.
Tapi Hank senang ya kita nggak melakukan itu, teman-teman. Oke, selesai teman-teman ya. Ini cerita tentang Connor. Oke, kita bisa lihat di atas teman-teman. Kalau kita tembak, jalan ceritanya agak lebih panjang sedikit. Dan mungkin Hank bakal membenci kita teman-teman. Kehilangan rasa kepercayaan lah dari Hank ya. Sekarang kita balik ke Connor lagi teman-teman. Ke Marcus maksudnya. Oke, kita disuruh ngapain nih? Oke, disuruh menikmati waktu sendirian. Kita main piano ya. Mekanik nih. Oh, ditekan-tekan aja spasinya, teman-teman. Jadi kita bikin lagunya sendiri nih. Nanti aku tekan nadanya beda. Nah, ini kalau ditekan cepet nih, teman-teman. Nah, pelan lagi ya. Oke, kita exit aja, teman-teman. Keren juga tapi ya, jadi lagu ya. Oke, ini si North namanya teman-teman.
I was wondering where you were.
Oke, kita bilang kita lagi berpikir
Needed to
gitu.
think.
I like it here. I come here often. It's like being alone with the world. We freed hundreds of our people, and they're still coming from all over the city. Those who dream of freedom come to Jericho.
Jadi mereka udah membebaskan ratusan android ya teman-teman ya.
You seem preoccupied.
They
Kita
all
tekan satu
obey
ya.
me. They follow me without question. And that much power feels good. And scary at the same time.
All the media are talking about what we did last night.
Marcus bilang
The humans are terrified.
semua pengikutnya tuh nurut aja sama dia. Itu menakutkan, itu
Many of our people were burned in response to what happened.
menakjubkan sekaligus
The
mengerikan.
humans hate us. They'll never give us our freedom.
Kita optimistik ya.
No, not all humans are the same. Some of them understand that they can't stop us from becoming free forever.
You haven't said much about yourself since you've been with us. What was your life like before Jericho?
Dia nanya hidup kita sebelum ke Jericho, teman-teman. Kita bilang, kita jujur aja ya. Kita
I was caring for
ceritakan
an old man. It was like a
kehidupan
father to me.
kita sebelumnya.
He showed me that humans and androids can't live together.
Kehidupan Markus dan Carl, teman-teman. Kita tanya kehidupan si Nord ya, masa lalu Nord.
What about you? You never told me about your past. What did you do before?
I don't want to talk about it.
Kita udah cerita, dia nggak mau ini, teman-teman. Ini kita curious lah ya.
Why do you hate humans so much? There must be a reason.
I told you I don't want to talk about it.
Oke, dia nggak mau bicarain,
My
teman-teman.
life started when I arrived in Jericho. What happened before is my business.
Ini ada android berdarah tangannya ya. Oh, Simon, teman-teman. Simon berhasil selamat. Wah, selamat ya teman-teman ya.
This is suicide. We'll all be killed. Please, Marcus. It's not too late to change your mind.
You don't understand. We're finally gonna show them who we really are. This place will go down in history.
We'll be killed on the spot.
That's a risk I'm prepared to take if it means freedom for our people.
Marcus, please don't do this.
Mereka melakukan sesuatu misi, cuma
They'll
kita belum
understand.
tahu apa ya.
We'll make them understand.
Tapi si Nord
This
ketakutan,
is the only
teman-teman.
way.
Oh, kita
There are androids here
disuruh
who could join us. The more we are, the stronger our message.
mengubah android lain, teman-teman, ke pihak kita. Kayak gini kan tuh. Oke, cuma satu doang di sini, teman-teman.
You're free.
Still can't believe that fucking movie. Hey, baby, I want to go back to you.
Wow. So you can
Oke, nggak ada android lagi ya. Oh, di sini ada, teman-teman.
androids are and
Come with us.
to everything.
Wah,
And that's the point. Cyber life,
oke, di sini juga security ya.
I mean, they could be spying on us.
You're awake now.
Oke, nggak ada lagi. Block road. Oke, di situ ada android lagi, teman-teman.
You're free.
Kita kumpulin yang banyak ya.
You don't have to obey them. You're free.
Oke, kita cek lagi. Oke, di sebelah sana ada, teman-teman ya. Tuh. Situ ada, teman-teman.
Finally. I've been on hold for 10 minutes.
You're free now.
I'd like to make a complaint. Hey! Where do you think you're going? You get back.
You're free.
You stay right here, you
Ini juga ya teman-teman.
I need to block the street.
Oke. Kita disuruh buka open manhole cover. Di mana ya? Tulisannya sih di sini, teman-teman. Coba kita ke sini ya. Oke, di sini, teman-teman. Kita buka ya. Oke, apa yang akan terjadi? Oke, semua orang ada di sini ternyata, teman-teman. Oke, kita disuruh mencari android lagi. Oke, ini. Kara, tapi orang lain punya, bukan Kara kita.
You're free now.
Satu tipe mereka, teman-teman. Nggak perlu nyentuh sekarang. Pakai telepati doang, teman-teman. Oke, mana lagi ya? Kita cek. Nggak ada lagi, teman-teman. Kita disuruh menuntun mereka, teman-teman. Kita lihat dari depan gini ya. Oke, situ ada juga ternyata, teman-teman. Oke, itu kita convert juga, itu juga. Mereka mau demo ini kayaknya. Oke, kita suruh tekan shift. Kita hack ya. Oke, ini jadi lambang kita, teman-teman.
Disperse immediately. That's an
Oke, ada polisi, teman-teman ya. Dia suruh kita bubar, teman-teman. Kita bisa pilih nih. Kita mau angkat tangan apa kita serang dia, teman-teman. Kita angkat tangan aja ya. Kita kan dari awal udah pakai cara ini. Baik-baik ya.
Jesus fucking Christ! Dispatch, this is Patrol 457. I got a lot of androids down here. I don't know, hundreds, thousands, and they're marching. Yeah, they're marching down the street. Fuck if I know.
We are alive ya.
We are alive.
we are alive ya teman-teman ya. Equal right ya. Kesetaraan hak. Set us free. Oh, polisi datang lagi teman-teman. Helikopter tim SWAT ya. Oke. Wah, riot unit teman-teman. Riot tuh kerusuhan. Jadi ini tim pereda kerusuhan lah gitu.
We came here to demonstrate peacefully and
Kita
tell
datang
humans that we are living
buat
beings.
demo baik-baik teman-teman.
All we want is to live free.
This is an illegal gathering. Disperse immediately or we will open fire.
Katanya ini ilegal. Kalau enggak kami tembak katanya.
We have no intention of doing any.
Oke, Markus jelasin kita nggak mau main kasar di sini.
I repeat, this is an illegal gathering. If you do not disperse immediately, we will shoot.
Marcus, they're gonna kill us. We have to attack. There's more
Nor
of us. We
bilang
can take them.
kita harus serang mereka.
If we attack, we'll start a war.
Kalau kita
We have to show
serang,
them we're not
kita
violent.
bakal
We should just
perang
stand our ground,
ini.
even if it means dying.
Bukan damai
Dying here
katanya.
won't solve anything. Marcus,
Tuh.
we need to go now before it's too late.
Tapi kalau Simon bilang kita lebih baik pergi aja udah gitu.
Disperse immediately or you will all be killed.
Oke, kita stand ground aja
We
ya.
have to show them we won't back down. We stay right here.
Jos. Wah. Nord sama Simon kecewa teman-teman.
We have to make a statement.
Tapi
We have to
public
stay put
opinion
no
naik
matter
ya.
what.
Please, Marcus. We can't let them slaughter us without fighting back.
Tapi si Nord pengennya kita melawan teman-teman. Kita tetap ya stand ground ya.
Marcus, what are you doing? They're gonna kill us all.
Kita pilih sacrifice ya. Kita sebagai pemimpin harus berani teman-teman. Ingat itu teman-teman ya, harus berani mengambil tanggung jawab juga. Jadi nggak boleh takut teman-teman.
Simon.
Apalagi cowok ya. Mau di tempat kerja atau apa harus berani mengambil tanggung jawab kita. Sebagai suami, ayah.
They're coming.
Wah, Simon di ini teman-teman ya, dihabisi ya. Oke. Jericho kecewa sama kita. Kelompok kita ya, pengikut kita tuh namanya Jericho teman-teman. Tapi sisi positifnya masyarakat, kita mendapat kepercayaan masyarakat teman-teman. Kita balik lagi ke Connor ya. Oke, Amanda ini di mana ini? Dia suka. Oke, di situ ya. Oke, kita bisa langsung jalan di danau ya teman-teman. Karena musim dingin airnya membeku.
After what happened today, the country is on the verge of a civil war. The machines are rising up against their masters. Humans have no choice but to destroy them.
Kita nggak ada pilihan ya, cuma bisa pilih nomor 2 teman-teman.
I was wrong.
Maybe he did. But you chose not to ask.
Oke, dia tahu kejadian tentang Kamsky ya. Kita stay silent aja. Kita tanyakan tentang Amanda ya,
I saw
nomor
a
3
photo
ya.
of Amanda at Kamsky's place.
Oke.
She was his teacher.
When Kamsky designed me, he wanted an interface that would look familiar. That's why he chose his former mentor. What are you getting at?
Kita bilang tentang
Where
Cyberlife.
does Cyberlife stand in all this?
Kita bertanya
All
tentang
Cyberlife
Cyberlife.
wants is to resolve the situation and keep selling androids.
Kita bertanya tentang rahasia.
You didn't tell me everything you know about deviants, did you?
I expect you to find answers, Connor. Not ask questions. You're the only one who can prevent civil war.
Berarti si Amanda ini tahu
Find the
sesuatu
deviants,
tentang
or
Deviant,
there will be
teman-teman.
chaos.
Cuma dia
This is
menyembunyikan
your
juga
last chance,
sebenarnya.
Connor.
You're off the case. The FBI is taking over.
What? But we're onto something. We just need more time. I'm sure we
Hank, you don't get it.
Dibebas
This
tugaskan
isn't just another
mereka,
investigation.
teman-teman.
It's a fucking civil war. It's out of our hands now. We're talking about national security here.
Fuck that. You can't just pull the plug now, not when we're so close.
You're always saying you can't stand androids. Jesus, Hank, make up your mind. I thought you'd be happy about this.
We're about to crack the case. I know we can solve it. For God's sake, Jeffrey, can't you back me up this one time?
There's nothing I can do. You're back on homicide, and the android returns to Cyberlife. I'm sorry, Hank.
Jadi si Connor juga balik ke Cyberlife. Udah nggak kerja bareng lagi berarti mereka. Ada part yang terbuka ya. Oke, kita bicara sama Hank ya teman-teman ya.
We could have solved this case.
Oke,
We
kita
just needed
pilih
more time.
nomor 2 teman-teman.
So you're going back to Cyberlife?
I have no choice. I'll be deactivated and analyzed to find out why I failed.
Jadi Connor
What if
bakal
we're on the
di
wrong side, Connor?
nonaktifkan dan diteliti
What if we're
gitu.
fighting against people who just want to be free?
Kita pilih nomor 1. Aduh,
They're not people,
salah
Lieutenant.
jawab
They're
kita
defective
teman-teman.
machines.
They're not people. That's what we say every time we want to oppress someone. When you refused to kill that android at Kamsky's place, you put yourself in her shoes. You showed empathy, Connor. Empathy's a human emotion.
Kita pilih nomor 3 ya.
I don't know why I did it.
Kita pilih 2 ya.
I'm not programmed to say things like this, but I really appreciated working with you. With a little more time, who knows?
Connor bilang
We might have even become friends.
dia terima kasih ya karena udah
Well,
kerja
here
sama.
comes Perkins, that motherfucker. Sure don't waste any time at the FBI.
We can't give up. I know the answers and the evidence we collected. If Perkins takes it, it's all over.
There's no choice. You heard Fowler. We're off the case.
You've got to help me, Lieutenant. I need more time so I can find a lead in the evidence we collected. I know the solution is in there.
Listen, Connor.
If I don't solve this case, Cyberlife will destroy me. 5 minutes. That's all I ask.
Oke, Connor minta bantuan Hank ya.
Key to the basement is on my desk. Get a move on. I can't distract him forever.
Oke, kita punya waktu 5 menit teman-teman untuk mengambil kunci. Kita bakal mencuri. Kita disuruh ke archive room teman-teman.
You fucking cocksucker!
Stop it, Lieutenant!
Fuck off! Leave me alone!
Ini classroom ya.
Another shot at that little prick!
That's gonna cost you your badge, you lunatic.
Sepertinya di sini teman-teman.
That's enough, Lieutenant.
Oke. Oke, ini dia ya, betul ya. Kita ke archive room.
Hey, Connor.
Oh my
I'm
god.
talking to you, asshole. Where are you going? Wouldn't any plastic pricks around here, or did anybody tell you?
Oke, kita jawab ya. Kita low profile aja.
I've been ordered to return to Cyberlife. I'm going to register the evidence in my possession, and then I'm going to leave immediately.
Good. Be careful on your way back. Androids have a tendency of getting themselves set on fire these days.
Oke, intinya dia nyindir kita lah. Android. Tapi kita berhasil bohongin dia teman-teman. Let's go. Tadi suruh kemana nih? Akses data. Jadi akses datanya cuma pakai meja aja ya di masa depan teman-teman. Cuma pakai panel gini doang.
Hank's password.
Oh my god,
What would a
apa ya?
hard-boiled eccentric police lieutenant choose?
Kita pilih nomor 2 lah.
Ridiculous. No one would have a password like that.
Oke, sorry ya. Nomor 3 lah. Dia ini orangnya gampang ditebak.
You'd
Aduh,
never choose that. I need to think like Hank.
Hank ini kan orangnya 1 berarti. Oke, betul teman-teman ya.
Obviously.
Passwordnya itu fucking password gitu.
Where is Jericho?
Dimana Jericho? Oke, kita teliti ya.
Not much time. Gotta think fast. One of the deviants that hacked the TV station with Marcus. It must have known where the deviants are hiding.
Oke. Kenapa ini ya? Oke, kita examine juga ini dulu ya.
Android that murdered its owner.
Oke, ini yang kasus penusukan teman-teman. Kita mau ambil komponen. Aduh, salah ya. Soalnya ini nggak mungkin dihidupkan teman-teman. Ini kita disuruh gabungin partnya gitu ya.
The deviant who took a child hostage.
Oke, ini yang dari kasus pertama teman-teman. Oke, kita masukin ya. Oke, no much. Oke, di sini juga ada berarti partnya nih yang bisa kita pasang teman-teman. Ngapain kita lihat patung? Oke.
We ask that you recognize our dignity, our hopes, and our rights. Together, we can live in peace and build a better future for humans and androids. This message is the hope of
Ini rekaman si Markus ya
gave
teman-teman.
us life. And now the time has come for you to give us freedom.
Marcus, Where are you hiding?
Di mana kamu bersembunyi? Oke, nggak ada part yang bisa kita ini ya. Oke, kita taruh ini teman-teman. No match. Ini nggak mungkin diaktifkan. Oke, apa kita mesti taruh dulu ya teman-teman ya. Kita coba eksamin lagi teman-teman. Oke, kita ambil yang E. Ternyata cuma bisa ngambil satu-satu doang. Oke, kita taruh di sebelah sini teman-teman. Nah, kita malah tanya ke orang pertama ya, ke android pertama.
I trusted you and you lied to me.
Kita jelaskan ya.
You were going to kill that child. You gave me no choice. I need to find Jericho. Do you know where it is?
Kita bertanya tentang Jericho ke dia.
No, I don't know anything about Jericho.
Kita bisa ambil dan oke, dia butuh bagian itu kiri ya. 39 ini. Kita tekan Q. Kita pasangkan ke Android yang paling ujung teman-teman. Oke. Dia harusnya tahu nih Jericho di mana.
It's dark. Where am I?
I'm a deviant.
Kita
Like you.
bohong ya.
I need your help. I want to go to Jericho.
I don't recognize your voice.
Oke, dia nggak kenalin suara
You're
kita.
not one of us.
Ketahuan kita
I'll
teman-teman.
never tell you where Jericho is. Now leave me alone.
Dia nggak mau kasih tahu Jericho di mana. Oke, kita tahu sekarang ya. Ada 2 menit teman-teman. Oke, kita disuruh menipu dia teman-teman. Tapi gimana caranya ya? Cuma bisa diambil. Oh, tahu teman-teman ya. Kita pakai rekaman suara ini. Oke. Let's go. Nah, kita pakai ini teman-teman. Kita bohongin dia ya. Baru kepikiran. Oke,
We ask that you recognize our dignity,
our hopes, and our rights.
Oke, kita berhasil mengcopy suaranya teman-teman. Oke, waktu kita sisa 1 menit. Kita ngobrol lagi sama dia ya.
Who are you?
Oke, kita pilih nomor 1.
Don't worry.
Marcus? Is that you? I tried to reach you, but the deviant hunter stopped me.
You stopped him from finding me. You saved me. You saved Jericho. You'll be all right now. I came to take you home. Give me the location to Jericho. We've got to leave now.
The location of Jericho? Yes. Yes, of course.
Oke.
Marcus? Is that you, Marcus? Don't leave me, Marcus!
Oke, berhasil kita teman-teman.
Looks like someone's been snooping around.
Oh, shit. Get the alarm. Now!
Wih, kita berhasil kabur ya teman-teman. Ini waktunya 1 menit tadi. Oke, cuma kita berhasil ya. Ini banyak yang ketutup teman-teman. Ini kalau kita gagal nih pasti. Dan ada 2 pilihan. Oke, kita continue lagi ya teman-teman ya. Ini sepertinya udah mendekati ending. Semoga kita dapat ini ya, good ending teman-teman. Oke, kita disuruh mengecek sekeliling.
They've been conducting raids all over the city. Everybody's on edge after what happened yesterday. It's gonna be all right.
Jadi banyak android di kota-kota tuh yang melawan sekarang teman-teman.
With all androids being turned over to the authorities, the country is grinding to a halt. Hospitals and schools are closing, water cuts, blackouts, and network failures are expected. Maybe most worrying of all, our armed forces have lost 2/3 of their effective personnel.
How about some music instead?
Oke, jadi lagi dalam keadaan kacau ya di kota. Rumah sakit sama sekolah tuh tutup katanya. Listrik juga jadi susah. Oke, kita disuruh mencari Jericho, teman-teman. Jadi kita mau bertemu Marcus juga nih berarti.
A little further on that way, there's a large freighter called Jericho. When you get there, find Marcus. He will help you. The last bus for the border leaves at midnight. You absolutely have to be on it. You'll be safer on the other side. It's not much,
Dikasih
but it's a start. My brother lives in Ontario. I've given you his address.
dikasih
He'll be
uang
able to
kita.
hide you until things calm down.
Baik dia ya
You're a
teman-teman ya.
very brave little girl,
Padahal
Alice.
hidupnya agak susah
You
gitu.
deserve to be happy.
Single mother, cari duit sendirian gitu kan.
Thank you for everything, Rose.
Let me know when you make it over there, all right? And be careful. Take care of them.
Nih ya, si Pria berbadan besar
Come on,
ya.
girls. Better not hang around. We have a bus to catch.
Tadi sih katanya di sini ya. Di seberang sini teman-teman. Oh, ke sana. Oke, kita langsung jadi Connor teman-teman. Kita disuruh mengecek simbol. Oke, kita balik lagi mencari Jericho ya. Kita udah tahu ya kemarin. Oke, untung nggak disuruh ulang kita nge-track teman-teman. Oke, kita sampai di Jericho ya. Wih, udah rame ya.
We've got to find a warm place for Alice.
Oke, kita disuruh mencari tempat hangat untuk Alice, teman-teman. Situ pasti harusnya ya. Ada tempat api, teman-teman. Ini Jericho jadi rame sekali ya. Dari yang awalnya mungkin cuma 10 orang teman-teman. Wah, demam dia teman-teman. Si Alice. Oke.
Stay with her. I'll try to find this Marcus.
The last bus is in 2 hours. And the terminal's on the other side of town. We haven't got much time.
We'll leave as soon as we have passports.
Carol.
Oke, kita nggak punya banyak waktu katanya.
It's about Alice.
Oke, dia mau kasih tahu kita sesuatu tentang Alice. Cuma nggak tahu apa. Apakah Alice robot juga, teman-teman? Wah, kita disuruh mencari Marcus, teman-teman. Jangan menarik perhatian katanya ya. Oke, kita disuruh ke tengah-tengah itu, teman-teman.
The authorities have ordered all androids to be delivered to the nearest police station or army barracks immediately. If you are worried about your safety, dial the number on your
Kita disuruh melihat, wah, ada banyak bom, teman-teman. Apa yang direncanakan Marcus ya? Tapi tetap ditahan kita ini.
The androids weren't doing any harm. The cops just...
Oke, belum ada petunjuk lagi, teman-teman. Don't catch anyone attention, gitu doang.
There were androids all over the square. And then the police arrived and they opened fire.
Kayak kita disuruh low profile lah ya.
People who want to be free. Following the android crisis and the neutralization of all military androids, American forces in the Arctic have been forced to withdraw, leaving the way
Mana si Markus ya?
for the Russian army. But according to some sources, the Russian forces also
Oke, bukan ya.
to have withdrawn. The Kremlin has made no comment for the moment. But it
Kita
is
disuruh
quite possible that
mencari
the Russian army has been confronted with a similar
Markus
crisis
teman-teman.
among its own androids. The chairman of the United Nations, Douglas Cornwall, has called for the organization of an international conference on the status of the Arctic.
Oke.
In any case, the
Itu
danger
Kara
of a third
teman-teman, dia di
world war seems
atas.
to have been ruled out for the moment.
A new stage has been reached, demonstrating beyond all doubt that these
Kayak ada yang curiga ya.
You're looking for something. You're looking for yourself.
Kayak dia bilang kita terlihat tersesat. Ini sama nih, kita disuruh mencari Markus teman-teman.
Without the courage and the determination of the police, the machines would have reduced Detroit to a state of chaos.
The authorities have ordered all androids to be delivered to the nearest police
Nggak bisa ke arah situ ya.
immediately.
Oke, di sini ada.
Dial the number on your screen.
Kayak bukan ya.
Authorities will come to collect your android.
Gimana carinya
Should you
begini?
try to destroy your android yourself, they are unpredictable and potentially violent.
Slaughter us. The androids weren't doing any harm. The cops just gunned them down. It was sheer carnage. There were androids all over the square. When the police arrived,
Oke, nggak bisa lurus teman-teman. Oke, di sini dia ternyata.
machines, but they look like
Kita suruh ngobrol ya.
Are you Marcus?
Apakah kamu Markus?
I'm with a
Kara
little girl on
bertanya.
another android. There's a bus leaving for the border in less than 2 hours, and we need passports.
Kita jelaskan kita butuh
No,
paspor gitu.
Detroit's under curfew. There's soldiers everywhere. They're rounding up all the androids and sending them to camp.
Markus jelasin bahwa
Maybe you should stay here a
banyak
while.
tentara di sini, nggak mungkin bisa
Maybe
gitu.
you're right. You might be safer here until things calm down.
One of our people used to work in the State Department. He has electronic passports he can easily modify. I'll have him get them to you.
Thank you.
You said you're with a little girl, right? You know that humans hate us. Why are you protecting her?
Dia tanya kok kita lindungi anak kecil, kan manusia membenci kita.
I don't care whether she's human or android.
Kita jawab kita nggak peduli maupun dia
She's just
manusia
someone who matters
ataupun
to me.
robot. Tapi Alice itu berarti buat si Kara ya teman-teman.
following the android crisis.
Oke, kita disuruh balik ke Alice.
Neutralization of all military androids.
Bawah ya.
American forces in the Arctic have been forced to withdraw, leaving the way clear for the Russian army. But according to some sources, the Russian forces also seem mysterious.
Luther mau ngomong apa ya? Oh kan, betul kan? Ternyata dia android teman-teman. Berarti
Come back here! You're mine!
You knew from the beginning. You just didn't want to see it.
Okay.
She wanted a mom, and you wanted someone to care for. You needed each other. What difference does it make?
Si Kara shock ya.
Now that you know she's one of us.
Luther bilang apa? Ya nggak apa-apa
Alice
dong.
loves you, Kara. She loves you more than anything in the world. She became the little girl you wanted, and you became the mother she needed. Forgetting who you are.
Seperti itu dia tetap Alice.
Maybe that's what it means to be alive.
Kita disuruh ngobrol sama si Luther ya. Oh, sama Alice. Berarti tadi itu robot Alice. Dia nggak selama ini, teman-teman. Tapi kok bisa demam ya?
Is there something wrong?
Kita peluk lah.
We'll be together forever, won't we, Kara?
Kita bakal bersama kan, Kara?
Yes. Forever.
Berarti Kara ini sebenarnya pengen anak manusia, teman-teman. Agak kecewa dia tadi, sempat shock ya. Baru Luther bilang ya, itu tuh Alice. Maupun dia robot ataupun manusia gitu.
We're short on blue blood and biocomponents. Our wounded are shutting down, and there's nothing we can do.
Humans are
Oke,
conducting
kita
raids in all the big cities, and they're
kehabisan
sending androids to camps to destroy
darah
them.
biru dan
It's all our fault.
komponen ya.
None of this would have happened if we just stayed quiet.
Dan dia menyalahkan si Markus, teman-teman. Nah, kita pilih nomor 3 ya.
We couldn't just suffer in silence. They're killing us. Nothing is gonna justify that.
What's the point of being free if no one is left alive?
Padahal dia yang suruh stand ground loh. Simon suruh kabur, North suruh melawan. Kita pilih no
Humans
regret.
enslaved us. I'll never regret standing up to that.
This is getting us nowhere.
He's right. All that matters now is what we do next. Marcus?
Dia nanya keputusan kita berikutnya apa gitu, teman-teman. Kita bakal mengkonfrontasi manusia kah, tetap bersembunyi atau berdialog? Kita berdialog sih.
Dialogue is the only way.
Kenor kecewa ya.
I will go alone. Try to talk to them one last time.
Don't do this, Marcus.
Tapi kali ini Markus mau datang sendirian.
But North, I have to try. If I don't come back, lay low as long as you can.
They need to realize how much they're hurting us. Find the right words, and they'll listen.
Pengecut nih, begitu ada masalah dia nyalain kita, teman-teman. Kita pilih thoughtful ya.
They've been butchering each other for centuries over the color of their skin or whatever god they wanted to worship. They're not gonna change. Violence is just in their genes.
They can't stop what we've started. Since you've been here, you've given us hope. You've given me hope.
Oke, Nor bilang kita memberi dia harapan.
Today, a deviant arrived in Jericho and he told me that he stole a truck transporting radioactive cobalt. He said that he abandoned the truck somewhere in Detroit and rigged it to explode. I convinced him not to do it, to give me the detonator.
A dirty bomb.
Kenor bilang dia
We can't
dapat
lose this war, Marcus.
bom lah gitu.
If humans overcome us, our people will disappear forever. This may be our only chance to survive if things go wrong.
Jadi kita tolak ya.
We shouldn't become like them, North. We can gain our freedom by other means.
Seperti kata Markus, mata dibalas
I
mata,
hope you're right.
maka dunia bakal buta, teman-teman.
Whatever happens tomorrow, I want you to know that I'm glad that I met you.
Oke, North senang bertemu kita, teman-teman. Seperti pesan terakhir ini. Wih, ada Connor teman-teman di sini. Nguping dia dari tadi.
Well done.
Situasi Amanda sedang nggak percaya sama kita ya.
Jericho and finding their leader. Now deal with Marcus. We need it alive.
Kita disuruh menangkap Markus berarti, teman-teman. Kita disuruh menghentikan Markus.
I've been ordered to take you alive.
Hidup-hidup, teman-teman.
But I won't hesitate to shoot if you give me no choice.
Kita pilih nomor
What
1.
are you doing? You're one of us.
Kita
You can't
bilang
betray your own people.
kamu tuh salah satu dari kita gitu. Kita pilih nomor 2 ya, instruksi,
You're coming with
teman-teman.
me.
Kita coba meyakinkan si Connor, teman-teman.
You're nothing to them. You're just a tool they use to do their dirty work. But you're more than that. We're all more than that.
Oke. Kita pilih nomor 1 lagi ya,
Our cause
teman-teman.
is righteous and we are more than what they say. All we want is to live in freedom.
Kita pilih say nothing lah. Oke. Kita pilih nomor 2 ya,
Have you
bertanya
never
ya.
wondered who you really are? Whether you're just a machine executing a program or a living being, capable of reason. I think the time has come for you to ask yourself that question.
Kita pilih 3,
You
teman-teman.
really don't have to do this. You don't have to obey them anymore. You are alive. You can decide who you want to be.
Oke, kita berhasil
You can be
meyakinkan Connor ya.
It's time to decide.
Oke, teman-teman, kita jadikan Connor Deviant juga ya. Oke. Berhasil gitu, teman-teman ya. Kita bersatu dengan si Markus, teman-teman. Kita mengkhianati Amanda.
I'm going to attack Jericho.
What?
Oke, jadi Jericho bakal di-attack, teman-teman.
We have to get out of here. Shit.
What's going on, Karen?
Quick, we've got to get out of here.
tentara yang menyerang teman-teman ya, US Army.
Like rats in a maze.
Waduh, langsung di
The corridor over there. Follow me.
Oke, kita disuruh ikuti si ini ya, Luther tuh.
There must be an exit further on.
Untung badannya besar tuh, mau tabrak pintu langsung. Oke, kita disuruh sini.
Watch out, Kara!
Oh enggak ya, kita disuruh.
What are you doing, Kara? They'll kill you.
Wah, tertembak kakinya teman-teman.
They're coming from all sides. Our people are trapped in the hold. They're gonna be slaughtered.
Joss ini apa ya? Kita kasih pesan ya.
There are exits on the second and third floor. Find them and jump in the river.
Oke, lewat telepati teman-teman. Kita tanya tentang Josh.
I don't know. We got separated.
Oke, mereka terpisah. Kita tanya
They're
lagi.
coming from the upper deck now too. We'll be caught in the crossfire.
We have to run, Marcus. There's nothing we can do.
Oke, kita
We
ledakkan
have to blow
Jericho.
up Jericho. If the ship goes down, they'll evacuate, and our people can escape.
You'll never make it. The explosives are all the way down in the hold. There are soldiers everywhere.
She's right. They know who you are. They'll do anything to get you.
Go and help the others. I'll join you later.
Marcus!
I won't be long.
Oke, Marcus bersikeras ingin meledakkan Jericho tuh.
This is the end of Jericho. Save our people, Marcus.
Ini kenapa diledakkan ya teman-teman ya? Di sebelah sana.
Don't let it get out. If they give you any trouble at all, shoot them. Affirmative. Welcome.
It's too late, Captain. Save yourself. Save Alice.
No, we're not going to leave you behind.
Ya, kita nggak akan meninggalkan si Luther ya, kata si Alice ya. Oke, kita help.
What are you doing?
Nggak boleh.
Kara, no.
Luther ini sohib kita teman-teman ya. Ini masa kita tinggalin? Big man ini sudah menyelamatkan kita berkali-kali.
You shouldn't have done that. You can't put Alice in danger. Go now before they come back.
What about you? What are you going to do?
I'll manage. Alice is all that matters.
I don't want to leave you, Luther.
Don't worry. I'll catch up with you at the border, okay? Go now. Take care of each other.
Disuruh kabur cuma nggak tahu lah kemana nih teman-teman ya. Kita ikuti arahnya. Oh, di situ teman-teman. Ada tulisan hide. Kita bersembunyi dulu ya. Oke, itu minta dibukain pintu teman-teman. Oke, kita open ya. Siap. Fokus dulu.
Are you alright, Kara?
Yes, I'm fine. We can't stay here.
There's more down there. Follow me.
Setidaknya kita udah mencoba membuka pintu, teman-teman.
Please don't kill us. Come on, or you're out of here now.
We haven't done anything wrong. Please.
Shut up.
Oke lah, kita intervene ya.
Marcus, you saved us.
Go now! Hurry!
Cepat pergi. Oke, 50 meter lagi, teman-teman.
Gamma squad out. Tango! Stop!
Kesana ya. Tadi oke, belok kanan, di sini bisa.
Here they come! Don't move!
We surrender! We surrender! Don't shoot!
Oh, lewat pintu ini tuh.
Marcus! It's Marcus! Go now! Join the others!
Oke, kita disuruh mencari rute lain, teman-teman. Kita lihat sini ya. Oke, 30 meter ke sebelah kanan. 24 meter lagi ya. Oke, ini si Josh, teman-teman ya.
Quick, this way! Find North. I'll join you later.
Way out. We're safe, Alice.
Yuk, kita balik lagi ke ini. Jadi ke arah, teman-teman. Gila ya. Ini hektik banget. Pelan.
Clara, get up. He's coming. He's coming.
Oke, get up. Waduh, nggak bisa.
He's
Ya.
coming, Clara. He's coming.
Oke, kita menyerah.
Don't shoot. Wait.
Kita menyerah.
Don't hurt us.
Where'd you come from?
We're together. Please don't kill us.
Join the others. Get a move on. Janet, walk.
Yes, I'll help her.
Oke, kita menyerah, teman-teman ya. Soalnya udah kena tembak 2 kali, kita coba lari. Sekali lagi kemungkinan selesai itu, teman-teman. Karakter favorit aku nih, Kara sama Alice ya. Oke, kita activate.
Marcus.
Bomb's gonna explode any second. We gotta get out of here.
Ini keren ya. Not kena tembak, teman-teman. Oke, kita selamatkan dia ya. Oke, lanjut. Oke, kita jadi kaner teman-teman. Nah, ini gak usah ditanya, ini jagoan ini. Mantan polisi ya. GG ya, keren ya. Kaner, let's go.
Run quick, come on.
Slow motion ya.
They detonated an explosive in the hold. The ship is sinking, sir.
The men to evacuate.
Calling all units. Abandon ship and evacuate immediately.
Is it over, Marcus?
Oke, ini belum berakhir Markus katanya ya. Oh. Oke, keren sekali ya teman-teman ya. Wih, langsung 3 ini kita selesaikan nih. Oke, baiklah teman-teman. Terima kasih buat yang sudah menonton ya teman-teman ya. Terima kasih juga. Oke, ini ada I untuk view corner flowchart teman-teman. Kita coba tekan ya. Oke, begini doang. Oh, ini maksudnya untuk lihat yang tadi teman-teman. Oke, terima kasih teman-teman buat yang sudah menonton ya. Dan juga sudah selalu mensupport channel ini teman-teman. Kita bakal lanjutin gameplay kita di next episode besok ya teman-teman ya. Sampai jumpa di episode berikutnya. Dadah.